Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Javascript unit testing is a crucial practice for ensuring that individual components of your code function correctly. A beginner's tutorial typically begins by explaining the importance of unit testing in maintaining code quality and reliability. It introduces popular testing frameworks such as Jest, Mocha, and Jasmine, highlighting their features and advantages. The tutorial emphasizes the process of writing simple test cases to validate the behavior of functions, focusing on concepts like assertions, mocks, and spies. Beginners learn about the structure of a test file and how to organize tests for clarity and maintainability. The tutorial also covers best practices, such as writing isolated tests and using descriptive names for test cases. Additionally, it discusses how to run tests and interpret results, encouraging learners to integrate unit testing into their development workflow to catch bugs early and improve overall code robustness. This foundational knowledge empowers developers to build more reliable applications.